Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore push notifications using OneSignal, complete guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an active OneSignal account. Log in to your OneSignal dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section. Select the app you wish to restore push notifications for. Click on Settings in the sidebar menu. Choose the Configuration tab. Check the API keys and make sure they are correctly set up. If your setup is incorrect, update the keys as needed. Next, go to the Audience section. Verify your audience segments. Ensure they are properly defined to receive notifications. Now, proceed to the Messages tab. Check for any previously scheduled messages. Review the status of these messages. If any messages are pending, adjust the timing accordingly. To create a new notification, click on New Push. Fill out the notification title and message. Choose the appropriate audience for your notification. Set the delivery time for the notification. Review the settings and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click Send Message. Monitor the Reports section for delivery stats. Check for any errors or issues reported in the logs. If notifications aren't delivering, troubleshoot the device settings. Encourage users to check their notification permissions. Revisit the documentation on OneSignal for additional guidance. Test the notifications on a sample device to ensure they are working. Continue to monitor the delivery and engagement metrics. With these steps, you can effectively restore push notifications using OneSignal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.